Hey there! Are you facing issues with your iPhone emails not working the way they should? No worries, this guide is here to help you troubleshoot and fix those common hiccups like emails not coming through, loading problems, freezing issues. Let's get your email back on track with this quick and easy process. Ready? Let's dive in. Solution 1. Switch your network. Swipe down to open the control center. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Often, just doing this can help you solve your problem. Solution 2. Verify email account settings. Open Settings. Scroll down until you see the Apps section. Tap on Apps. Scroll down to find the Mail app. Tap on Accounts. Select the affected email account. Ensure all settings, such as server settings and ports, are correct. Try turning off the email option from here. Now turn it back on. Solution 3. Force close the mail. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen on pause in the middle, or double-click the Home button on older iPhones. Find the Mail app in the app previews. Swipe up on the Mail app preview to close it. Now restart your iPhone. After that, reopen the Mail app. Solution 4. Offload and reinstall the email app. Open Settings. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Find and tap the Mail app. Tap Offload app and confirm your choice. After offloading, tap Reinstall app. Solution 5. Turn on Background App Refresh. Open Settings. Scroll down to find General. Tap Background App Refresh. Ensure Background App Refresh is enabled for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 6. Remove and re-add the email account. Open Settings. Scroll down to the Apps section. Tap on Apps. Scroll down to find the Mail app. Tap on Accounts. Select the email account you want to remove and tap Delete Account. Tap Add Account and follow the prompts to re-add your email account. Solution 7. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Scroll down to General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and select Reset network settings. By following these steps, you should be able to tackle any issues with your iPhone emails. If you still run into problems or need a bit more assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We have got this.